here.
Anna can hear me, Natalia also. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm Kaspars Pudans. So for those who haven't seen the videos, so now you can see me now. And today we will talk about Shopify platform. I already told a little bit about it in the videos. So we'll look at some examples. I'll show you the examples from the businesses, and also I will show you examples from Reseba students. I use Shopify platform in my university teaching in the course e-commerce and payment systems. So students make online shops on the Shopify platform. I will try to make this these 2 days so everyone gets involved as much as possible. At the moment, I can see there's like five or six of you. No, more, actually more. It's okay. I will make shop for everyone, the basic shop, and I hope you all have laptops, not the mobile phone, for those who wanna participate. And we will make some online shops and during these 2 days. About the questions, if you have any questions when I'm talking about something or telling, showing you, you can interrupt me and ask your question. You don't have to wait till the end, and so it's not a problem for me. If you have a question, just ask it, and we will take a break, I think after about 50 minutes, 10 minutes break. And after that break, today we will have to register your shops. So I will tell you about it a bit later. And yes, I think also I will explain in the end of today's meeting. I will explain what exactly you will have to do with your shops, so you can pass the exam, I think on 3rd of December, exam or test. You can ask Zana later about this. But I can assure you everyone will be able to do this. So okay, I think we can begin, and I'll share my screen.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, just make it smaller. Okay, today we'll talk about Shopify platform, and the website you are seeing now. It's built on a Shopify platform. It is the one of the most popular online platforms for building e-commerce websites. And Shopify is also, I can tell it's also the leading platform, because it was one of the first platforms who started to offer these kind of services, and they are always at the forefront of all the new developments. Of course, there are other platforms also available, but Shopify is I would say most accessible to every individual, and it's quite easy to use, and you will see this later for yourself. So why I'm telling it's good for everyone, because on this example, the one I'm showing, this is the big business, and I think I presume most of you have heard the Kardashian name, and they use the Shopify store platform so to run their e-commerce business, and we can see it's built quite professionally, and obviously there's a team behind this, but all the same can be done even without the team. And the next website I would like to show you is this Mesmoglob website, which also is built on Shopify platform, and it is run by one of my friends, and I know for sure he did it himself. So it's also quite professional. There's good design, good layout. So basically what I wanted to say is that even one person can build quite good website on this platform, and without much of the technical knowledge, and without the need of programmers and other specialists. There's one more website. It's called IconSpeak. I think I have used it in my video presentation as an example when I was talking about dropshipping business model. So basically, this also is run only by a few people, and this website sells products which they don't have, don't own any inventory themselves. So all the items which are sold on this website, they are being kept and produced by somebody else, and by their dropshipping partner company, which makes these products and fulfills the orders once they come in. And it is also possible with this Shopify platform to run such type of business. So even if you don't have any inventory or products yourself, you can connect your online store with some manufacturers of certain types of products and sell them in your store through Shopify platform. Yes, so so is there any question or just? Yes, and the next one I will show you. So this is how the Shopify admin panel looks, and this is the demo store, which I later will show you how to create the store I would like you to create later. And here I want to show you some of the stores which were created by Riseba students during the course. So this is one web store which was created by one of my Riseba students, and also quite nicely built. It's quite basic, but still with nice layouts and some design features. Of course, during the studies, when they build the shop, we also learn about how to write product descriptions, about the photography, what pictures need to be, and the quality and other things. With you during this project, we will make it a bit more simple, but you still will get the idea, and I'm pretty sure you will be able to create these stores yourself. And if you spend more time later, of course, you can make them much better and more advanced. So there's there's another one made by our students. Normally it takes them, if they are really dedicated, it takes them maybe 5 or 6 hours to make these stores, but some who are a bit more technical savvy, maybe they can do it even faster. Yeah, and this is another one made by the students. So again, it's pretty basic front page, but still looks quite nice. And this student also has used this print on demand service to connect to this store. So these products which you can see here, they are not they are made by print on demand company, and in this case it was Printful. I think this was connected with Printful. So this is about the examples, and what are the main reasons why if you are planning to make an online store at some point, maybe. So the main reasons why you should consider Shopify is its accessibility. It's available everywhere in the world. The only difference will be maybe is the availability of some features. There will be countries there where certain things will not be supported, like for some functionality will not be supported. For example, integration with Amazon platform, it will work only in the countries where there is actually Amazon market. So it's like Germany, UK, France, but it will not work in Latvia. And but a lot of features still are available and can be used to power your online store. Another good reason to choose Shopify is its price. So the basic plan starts from $29 a month, and it covers everything. Hosting, it covers also you can purchase the domain name through Shopify, or if you have one already, so you can just connect it. And also you get SSL security certificate. If you look here, where my mouse is at the moment. And this is this sign. So every online store needs this SSL certificate. Otherwise, they won't be able to connect to any payment providers. And Shopify provides this certificate also. It's included in this monthly plan. For example, if you make separate website on your own, I don't know, you hire some programmers and they make a website for you from scratch. So then you need to pay some for hosting it. You need to find who will host it. It will cost from $5 to 10, 15, or $20 a month. You will also need to buy SSL certificate separately, and you will not have any technical support. So if something goes wrong with your custom website, you will always have to hire somebody to fix these problems. So with Shopify, there are no such. You don't have to worry about such things. So all the technical side is taken care of by Shopify, and you only have to think about building your website with the tools that Shopify provides and running your online store and promoting it, of course. And even if something happens, like there is some technical glitch or which you can't solve by yourself, there's always Shopify support available, and it's for free. So you can it's available 24/7, and they are not going to be chatbots. These will be really live people. So you can have your problem solved, and they work quite quickly. So this is another plus. If you don't have to worry about these technical issues when running your store on Shopify platform. And also I show you these websites made by students. So it's also good if some of you want to use them for teaching e-commerce or related subjects. It's quite easy to set up these demo stores, and it can be used also this way. Another good point about Shopify, in those previous meetings, you have discussed about digital marketing. You have looked at the other aspects of doing business online, and Shopify is the platform which integrates all these aspects really well inside it. So if we talk about the marketing, Shopify has, I'll show you now in this mode, so-called sales channels, and so in here, if you look, I can see it has point of sale integration, which means if you have a physical store or brick and mortar store, you can also connect your Shopify online store to your brick and mortar store inventory stock keeping system, and they all be integrated together. So whenever somebody buys something from your physical store, the inventory will get reduced on the Shopify also. And then there is a buy button, which is a very good thing for the ones who run some blogs, but maybe they don't want to use full shop. They only want to sell few products from their blog. So Shopify offers this buy button integration into that blog, and it charges cheaper for its services then. Also, there's an integration with Google, but it works only where Google Shopping is available. If we speak about Latvia, it's not working in Latvia, so there is no Google Shopping service in Latvia. Hence, it can't be integrated in the Shopify store, which is based in Latvia, for example. However, if you look at the next Facebook integration, it works, and it works really well. So your Shopify store can be connected with your business's Facebook page, and your products which are in your Shopify store, they can be displayed on this Facebook, on your Facebook page also. And it is very convenient because many people spend a lot of time in their social media, and I know some businesses who are selling really well through their Facebook channel through this Shopify and Facebook integration. The way it works is, for example, I go to somebody's Facebook page and I see the products on this page. And if this Facebook page is integrated with Shopify, then I can buy this product, start the buying process on the Facebook page. I don't have to go to the Shopify. And if I start this buying process on the Facebook page, it will only direct me to Shopify in the end of the process when I need to make the payment. And in United States, I know it doesn't do even that. So you can finish also the checkout on your Facebook page, and the inventory in the Shopify store will be reduced accordingly. So this is how it works. Also, if you connect to Facebook, you get the Instagram integration, and this is one of the most popular social media channels for advertising at the moment, and I think it's because of its visual character. And so there's also quite easy to sell products through Instagram and direct the traffic to your Shopify store. And this Shopify inbox is for messaging, and there's also wholesale service, but as you can see, it's not available to everybody. And so yes, and then there's a built-in marketing tool inside the platform itself, and you can create marketing campaigns without going to Facebook or Instagram. So if you have these integrations with your social media platforms, you can create these marketing campaigns without leaving your Shopify admin panel. And there's also analytics tool, which gives you the basic information about some statistics of your store, the visits, the return customer data, and some other. And there's a discount tool, which is good for creating discounts, and the best one is the ability to create automatic discounts, so your customers don't have to enter anything manually. you can create discounts for certain product collections or products, or you can create discount for certain amount to be spent, and customer, when he's in the buying process, he doesn't have to enter any discount codes or anything. All he has to do is just get these products, the ones you have the discount applied to, and the system will deduct the discount amount automatically. Of course, if you want your customers to put a little bit more effort in the buying process, then you can make them enter some discount codes to the products they are buying, if you have some promotional campaigns. And speaking about marketing, Shopify also has right, it's not here, but they have their own email marketing service, but it's also can be easy integrated with other email marketing services, and these marketing services will have access to this customer section of your Shopify store. So whenever somebody makes an order in your store, the information gets stored in this customer's database. And if you have integrations with some email marketing services, so they have access to this data. And if you create some marketing campaigns, then obviously they will send this to your customer base. And because of this integration with Shopify, your email marketing providers, they can also see not just the basic data like emails or names of your customers, but they also can see what products have they bought before, and what pages are they looking at the most, and another kind of information which can be later used for more specific targeting of your email marketing campaigns. And another great feature of Shopify platform is its applications, or in short, apps, which allow you to customize the Shopify store and add some more features to it, which are not included in the basic Shopify version. For example, if I show you there was one shop, this one, this shop made by one of the students in Riseba. So it has, if you look here at the bottom right, this chat with us feature, and this is not included in the basic Shopify tools selection. So he used the app from Shopify App Store, and let's have a look at it shortly. And thanks to this app, so there is a option to put a chatbot on answering to these questions, or to answer those questions yourself. So it depends which one they picked. And so okay, it's a bit slower now. Asking me. Sorry, switch up the screen. Can you see my screen all right?
Now, yes.
Now I'm back.
Yes,
Sorry, just something. Is this button up on the top of the screen? And just if I miss it, then it goes off. And so there's yeah, I want to show this App Store when it opens. Yeah, so basically these are apps, little plugins or special functions to add some more possibilities, technical possibilities for your store. And there's a different range of them. There's quite a lot also of these apps, and it takes some time to find which one exactly fits your store better. Because if you look at, let's say, store design apps, yes, like not store design, let's say marketing. And let's see email marketing, for example. So I presume you have heard of some of these, like MailChimp is a really big company. So and all these companies, they have these apps made for Shopify also. So and once you install these apps, you can use them so in your store, and they are connected to your store. So there's quite a few of them, and so it always takes some time to test which one is more suitable for you. Let's say if you want to try Shopify email, then you need to open it and have a good read. There's like a short summary of the most important things you need to consider in choosing or not choosing this app, and then you can install, which is quite an easy process. You just press one button, and the app will go on your store. And I'll show you in this example. So it's just this application goes to this demo store. So there's some certain things you have to accept, and then you press install app. And that's pretty much it. The app is already available in this store. So this is the demo store which I created for this project. And so the app is here in the store, and I will switch that off. And if I look at the apps section in my admin panel, and it's the very first, okay. So it says installed apps, and here's this Shopify email app. Yeah, so it took me only like 2-3 minutes to install this app. And when I try it and I see I don't like it, so it's really easy to uninstall it. Just press delete, select the need, doesn't need my needs, and delete. Okay, I'll look at the chat. Yeah, okay, no problem. So yeah. go back. So these are the basics. Why this Shopify platform is good. Of course, there are like platforms like Squarespace, and then Wix is quite popular also. Then BigCommerce. A lot of them are quite similar. Also, might be different in some functionality. But as I said before, Shopify was one of the first who started this sort of don't want to say business, but offer such services. And so the main difference between platform and the website, when you make it your own, so on the platform everything is taken care of in the technical and many other aspects. So even on the design, if we look so this screen you're seeing now, this is the main working area for everybody who runs the Shopify store. So there's this first section where this home orders products. It's like more is used for everyday operations, more or less, like processing orders. Interacting with customers, checking some analytics data, marketing and discounts and apps. And there's this second part, which is more for the technical functionality of the shop. So there's your pages, there's your navigation menu, some basic preferences, and the main part is the themes, where you can create your designs. And this customize button is for making the design. But we will get back to this after the break. I'll show you more how it works, and you will also be working with these functions. So just a second, I'll have all the lines there. Yes. Do you have any questions about the things we were? I was talking just.
I can say that I have a direct question, but when I was listening, you shared your students' experiences, and I had such question. Do you have some case of your student or students who have already the skills? I mean, Shopify making shops for companies, and they use this as freelancers, as consultants, helping companies. I mean, in practice. Because it's very interesting. Like, I mean, graphic designers are working like freelancers and helping companies. If it works in your country or with some of your students who use this in practice, like consultants in this technical skills, I can say.
I wouldn't say that this is about technical skills. So the question was how many of my students, if I rephrase it, how many of my students use the Shopify platform in their everyday work, let's say. So yeah, am I?
No, how many of your students, or maybe one of them, uses it like I can say it's he or she becomes a consultant in this.
Okay.
Helping companies. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't really know if there is one of my students who runs a company, and he runs quite big agency, and he's working not just with Shopify, and he works with other platforms. And actually, during the studies, there was a lot of things he could tell me also, not just like I could tell him. So, but I wouldn't say that that's the it's his experience. So he gained his knowledge with Shopify and other platforms through his experience, not just after finishing the course in university.
Yeah.
But there are some other companies who use Shopify platform in the consulting business. Like they help, especially after this when these COVID-19 restrictions started last year. There was a lot of businesses who suddenly found themselves that they have nothing online. How to present themselves, and so they obviously started to look for some companies who provide these services. I also myself provide such services, but I'm not making these websites. I teach the business owners or their employees how to work with Shopify. So, and I leave all the design and other things to themselves. So, because they know their products better. And yes, please.
No. Thank you.
Yes, Liliana. Let's see.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay. Some of us we need to have a site. I am one of this person. Maybe did you know platforms or student groups where the mentor, a person with IT knowledge, can help me to create my site, because in Germany it's a big price to create a site. It's plus minus 1,000 euro to create a site. Maybe there are students who need to have some works like portfolio works, and they can create free of charge, free of cost these sites. Or maybe we can organize a hub with you, with your university, and you can be our mentor, and we can use all of this knowledge in practicum aspect. Thank you.
Yes, you do you want to create this website for yourself? I mean, for your
Yes.
your organization.
Yes, right.
Yes, and which platform are you considering, or you haven't thought about it in that way yet?
I didn't think about this because for me it's a very complicated to create a site. I only know that you can do it, but I didn't analyze the variants because I have another profession and I am zero in IT knowledge.
It's okay. It's no problem. Shopify is as I said, it is accessible and available to everyone, and everyone can learn to work with it. So in the next hour, when after the break, I have already created these demo websites, which are like will look like this one you are looking at now, and so whoever of you will wanna have a try with creating the website, so I can assign you to that particular website, and we will so the next hour and tomorrow we will go through this website creation process practically, and I do hope, and I still am convinced that you can create a basic website and get this knowledge of how it all works in this Shopify platform. And then later, when you have more time, you can work further on your creation.
Thank you.
So Lilian, you have the opportunity to try it yourself now. So we'll start today. We'll continue tomorrow, and on the 3rd of December we'll see what you have created during this week.
Okay, I hope, because for me it's a complicated, very complicated.
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. You don't have to worry. Yes. More questions? Okay, there's chat. Oh, okay, I'll read this during the break. Or it's a different question.
No, I just edit comments.
Natalia, you just added, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, okay. You see everyone, yeah. So I'm not gonna read it. Just. Yes, as I said, yeah, the platform is quite easy to use, and it is possible to create the online store really quick, like in few days. You can create more or less workable online store, but the main if you look at the business side on this, and the main problem will be promoting of this store and marketing, because it's not that hard to create the stores nowadays. It's really hard to promote and sell the items in these stores, basically to make these stores visible, and that's the hardest part, because thanks to the platforms like Shopify, it is really now easy to create stores, and I can't remember the source, but I think last year I read somewhere that 95%, it was from Shopify platform, that 95%, in the certain period of time, there's 95% of the newly created stores, they shut down like in few months, and then only few stay. But obviously there's always new coming. So, and then this never ends, like someone opens, someone closes. And that's the main reason, like because as soon as they are, I call it, have their reality check with the marketing issues, then it all kind of goes, the enthusiasm goes down. But there's still some others who persevere and then try more and then make it work. This shop I showed you, this icon speak, just a second, I'll switch it on. Yeah. When I was talking about the drop shipping, yeah, this is brilliant idea. These guys, they love to travel a lot, and they were visiting some countries where they realized that people don't even speak English, so they had some troubles to communicate with the locals, and then they got this idea. So they started to put icons on print icons, and then they showed these icons to people, like I want this or I want that, and And then they started to make shirts with these icons, shirts, and then there's some other products.
Great idea.
Yeah, and as I face masks, even face masks, iPhone cases. So and this website is quite successful. They sell a lot of products, and in fact they don't own any products themselves. So all these products are made and shipped by the dropshipping company, and in this case it is Printful, one of the biggest dropshipping companies in the world, which is from Latvia. And yeah, and they have this integration with Shopify platform. So basically what happens, how it works in practical way, let's say I like this iPhone case, and I put an order, and this let's say this order goes to my store. I have this integration with Printful, and this design is featured in my store, and it's connected to Printful. So as soon as the order comes in the shop, all the information regarding this order, what product, what color and design, and where to ship, all this information goes to Printful. And then they charge you for the making of product and shipping. And as soon as they charged you, they start making this product and they ship it away. Normally, they do it quite fast for such type of products. It's about 3 to 5 business days. They can promise to ship your product. And my only task is to create the designs to promote these products, and also of course I have to remember that I'm paying something to Printful, so I need to put some margin on top in my shop so I can get the profit. And for example, in this second, this thing will go away. Yeah, this icon speak shop. Yeah. So this phone case, it costs $22 here, and Printful probably will charge about $14 or $15 for this phone case, and but they also will ship it, so you don't have to spend anything on shipping, and so basically it's about $7 profit on this item. And all these variations and other things, they all are done automatically via this integration between Printful and Shopify. And so it's a really convenient business model. And as I said, it's the main thing here is the promotion. So they have to really work hard on promoting these products and make sure the sales are coming in. But if we look from the perspective of running such website, yeah, so basically it can be done from anywhere in the world, because they don't have any inventory on them, so there's no need to rent some premises where to store the inventory. They also don't really need the office, because it can be done as you see. So Shopify can be accessed from anywhere. So the main thing is internet and laptop. If these two things are available, so you can run such print on demand type of business pretty much from everywhere. Okay, yeah, but if you have inventory, like for example this Kardashian store, then it's a bit more different, but it's again also about marketing. The main thing is still marketing. So whatever you make the website, it's still all about the marketing, how you will market it and make sure the sales are coming in. I think I have myself created about 3 or 4 websites, which are like were finished like one in a year, other maybe sooner, and the first websites few years ago, and then this was also my kind of thinking at that time, and I find it many people who are trying to enter this e-commerce business, they are still doing this. It's like thinking that it's gonna be really easy. You just need to make the website and everything will work. But in reality, it's quite a lot of work involved in all this. But still, it can be done.
Yeah, but I can speak. I can say that it's internationally interesting product. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, there are some. I know there's one. I can't remember this website. I remember I saw it a few years ago. It also was print on demand, but he was selling just T-shirts, and he found a very interesting niche. So basically, he was looking for some Donald Trump quotes. If Trump said something stupid, so next day it was on this website already. So you could buy some T-shirt with something what Trump said, or some other politician. Basically, he found that kind of niche. And it's really important also in this online business environment. It's like if you don't have really big like financial resources behind you, which allow you to make like some mega store with the thousands of products, then the only way to make some success is try to find your niche and just work with a niche product. If you start to spread yourself everywhere, it's gonna take a lot of financial resources, and they will end much quicker than you anticipate, and then in the end nothing will work. So so basically it's still you can sell like see, there's hats, there's phone cases, bags, but they all are like niche products. It's all about this icon story. Yeah. Trump t-shirts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like in every country there's some politicians who make something.
Yeah, sure.
From time to time, and so on. There's some people who are really quick on it, and they make products like next day there's a products available already with all these quotes and things. Okay, I suggest we have a 10 minutes break, and then when we come back we can start registering your shops. What do you think, or you don't want a break?
Okay.
Okay. I'll write in the chat. So let's come back. It's now at 5:10. Yeah. So like in 10 minutes. I'll write it down in the chat. Okay. I'll switch the mic and camera off, and once my camera is on, it means I'm back. And now, yeah, the screen will stay like this. Okay. I'm back. So let's hope everyone else, maybe one more minute. So how many of us are there? Okay. Let's share back.
We will have 13 shops, or we will make in groups.
Yes, we will make 13 shops. I mean, they already are made. I just need to assign them.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just thinking about how to organize it at the moment, and the only way I can see is like if you send me your emails, you if you don't want to share, because you will need email and maybe Lilian, I think you said you need it for this also, like for the exam part. Can we start with you, and I'll share the screen, and I'll show why I need this email. Okay, Natalia was first. Right. Natalia, there's a comma in your email. I don't think it's right. There must
Yeah,
be,
sorry.
should be dot, yeah? In there, I will correct. It's okay.
Thanks.
Okay, I'll go back to the to get to that screen. All these shops, they are called D Platforms Project, and they will have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, but they all are with the same name. And a second, I'll just let me write. Yeah, it's closed. So I'll now assign them to each. I'll stop sharing for a while. I need to get to that screen so I can assign those shops quickly. I will switch it on in a minute. Just so you see what we are doing. So Natalia, your shop will be first. So your shop will be called D Platform. Oh, sorry, it's platform. It's misspelling. They all gonna be like that. Platforms project 1. Yep. If you see where I toggle a mouse, yeah. So it's hovering. You can see it here. And I'll add you. I'll create a staff account. A second. Yes, users and permissions. Okay, and you yes. So now you'll have all the permissions to the shop. So I'm sending you invite, and on your email you will receive the email that there has been some staff account created for you, and you will have to log in to the system and create your password along the way. I will create another one, and Natalia, you can tell us later how are you
Okay.
doing with this.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be going to the next.
I'm just signing.
Or platforms to. So the second email will be Ilona Popovic, yeah? Ilona, here we users permission. Ilona, the email has been sent, so you can check your email. And just follow the instructions. So you will basically have to create the password. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, and then it shows accept invitation, as I see.
Sorry?
Yeah, then it shows accept invitation.
Yes,
and
yes, yes, yes. You have to accept the invitation.
I'm there.
So and then once you log in, you should see the same screen as I'm seeing now.
Yeah, I see it.
So it means you've done everything correctly. Okay, shop number 3. We assign to Liliana Rylan. Okay, Liliana, you can check your email.
Conduct a lot of experiments with graph neural networks.
Shop number 4. Dodo Chumburidze, yeah?
Yes.
Shop number 4.
Thank you.
Okay. This is 4. And it's in your email. Okay. So shop number 5 will be Natalia Gavrilas. Oh, come on. Okay, just a second. Okay, Natalia, it's in the email. Shop number 6. George Phakadze, yeah?
Yes, yes. You'll be covered.
Okay, shop number 6.
I'm sorry, I have a question.
Yeah.
They asked me to introduce some information. First name, password. I need to do it?
Yes, it's just password. There's not gonna be anything more. So you put your first name and where are they asking this? You accept
create a Shopify ID.
Yeah, create Shopify ID. So they will ask you your name and the password.
Okay.
And you will have this. The only thing, please remember, yeah, if you, let's say maybe one day you decide to create your own Shopify store from scratch, I don't know, maybe after 1 year or 2, they will have these emails already. So you might want to use the different email later, because otherwise you will not get this free trial which Shopify offers. At the moment you have this unlimited free trial because these are development stores and they are not charging anything for this, and they still are on my name. So even if they charge something, it's gonna be on me. So you don't have to worry. but they're not, because these are development mode.
We are just departments, yeah.
Yeah, the only thing I will kindly ask you not to do when we will be making these shops, please don't use the branded items like iPhones or Samsungs. You can use maybe the pictures of these items, but don't mention the names and the descriptions, because some of my students used, like one I think used Michael Kors. He was doing some bags, and other one was also, I think, selling made a website which was with Apple phones. And I received the letters from Shopify that I need to take them down.
I have a problem. They write me it's a problem loading this page.
Yes, it might be. Maybe try again. Sometimes they have some glitches. But if you still will have some problems, we can have a look together later. So shop number 7 will go to, that's like calling points in Eurovision. Shop number 7, yeah, it's Angelica Guinea. Yep. shop number 7. Okay. Sorry. Now select all. Okay, Angelica, you've been, yeah, your email has been, have a look. Okay. So shop number 8 will be Sylvia Zakharko. Sorry, you will hear my kids screaming sometimes at the back. Okay, Sylvia, you have shop number 8. And Victoria Postolache. Oh, yeah, Victoria Postolache. Okay, you will have shop number 9. Okay, Victoria, you have shop number 9. Its email has been sent. Button. Okay, Lucine Marokian, yeah, you will have shop.
Yes.
You will have
Lucine.
shop. Lucine.
Marukyan. Да, yes.
Okay. Yes, I do apologize if I get some names. Maybe it's I read them as I see. So you have number 10. Okay, Lucine, your email is gone.
Thank you.
Next will be. I think that's it. Yeah. So we have 10 shops. Great. Okay, I'll stop sharing for a little bit, so I'll switch off these screens and then I'll return. Okay. Liliana, you have shop number 3.
Thank you.
You should check your email. It's been done already. Okay. Well, some of you might still be doing this. So basically, once you're done, you should see the following screen, the one I'm showing you now. The only difference will be the name of the shop. So this is my shop, and you should see the similar screen once you're through. If somebody is having some problems, please share. We will solve them all together. Okay, Alexandru. Yes. Alexandru, I need your email. You need shop number 11. I'll give you shop number 11. Second, I'll stop sharing. I'll check. Doda, I think I will need to see your screen because I'm seeing different picture perhaps from the one.
Okay.
What is the thing you are seeing? Well,
I check account. Maybe it's a different platform. I don't know. I mean that I create maybe new account, other account, new. Account.
You just go back to the email and do this route again. Like click on that invitation I sent you through the email.
Okay.
And just do it from the beginning.
Okay, I try.
Because you shouldn't have like a completely new account. You just have yes, you will have to enter your name and surname and email, and that's it, and it will give you access to this account which is already created. About the so I will tell in a minute what exactly will we have to accomplish with these shops, like how many items I would like to see, what banners and etc. And then I will start to showing you how to do all this. When everybody's ready, so basically by ready I mean just a second, I will share the screen. Okay. So when everybody sees that picture on their screen, so this is like home admin page home. And then we are ready to go further. We have like, I think 25 minutes left. We're not gonna do everything today, but I already like thought about it. So don't worry, we will do a lot of things tomorrow. There will be some things we will manage to do today, but most of the work will be done tomorrow. And then
sorry, maybe I have some kind of problem. Can you help me? Yes, I got message that your invite link. Yes, but you already created an account, or the account owner deleted the invitation.
Okay, I suggest then maybe you try.
Okay.
Yours was number 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you remember the password you created for that account?
Yeah.
So you see,
login.
You just need to log in.
Okay.
But you have to put the address, like if you look at my top screen here. So instead of demo, you use number 4, and the rest stays as it is. And for everyone else also, because for example, if you delete cookies or something, it will ask you to type the address of the shop. So this is the address of your shop. Yeah. If you look at the address bar, so save it for yourself. So if you somehow get logged out or something, so you will have to put this address of your shop first, and only then the system will ask you for the login and password.
Okay.
Okay. So Dodo, how are you doing?
Bad.
Sorry?
I have problem because I change email now. New.
No, you can't change your email.
Yeah.
You registered the one.
I have different email I can send you.
Yeah, maybe let's do this. Yeah. I'll switch the emails.
Okay, 1 minute.
So it's gonna be same number 4. Okay. It's gonna be about 1 minute, I think, for everyone else. Yes, your email. Okay, I see. Nice one.
And I have additional question. I can not use this link I sent you. Message account.
Just a second. You see, I can't see it because when I open it, it transfers me to my account, which is so I can't really see what's going on in that link.
Okay.
But you will receive an email and use the link from email and nothing else.
Okay.
So I've sent an email already.
Okay. I got it. Okay. And now I need to click decline button.
No, not decline. You have to accept.
Create staff account, yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Woohoo! Maybe.
Great.
Congrats, Dodo.
Create new account, yes? Or not?
No.
No.
Clicking in your account.
Log into a different account? Oh, why? Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can.
Sorry.
Actually, I'm not sure. I have done it myself because I normally give the accounts, not take them. No, no.
Yes.
Okay. You have that first account, but yes, now press this one on create new account. Yes.
New account.
Yes. Enter your first name, last name, and password. That's it. Oh, sorry. And then please remember your passwords, yes, because will be tricky. I don't have to worry about unless the system is the safest way is put one capital letter and maybe star sign or something like this, just to add some different.
Okay.
Yes, accept invite. Hello, here we are.
Thank you.
That's the main screen. So thank you for sharing. And if somebody, okay, Alexandru, did I send you the shop or not? Alexandru, just a second, I'll check here. No. So Alexander, if you want the shop, I need your email. because without email I can't send you. But if you don't want it, just don't send anything. We'll carry on. Okay. Okay. So now we are. I'll share my screen, and I believe we are all on the same page now. Okay. So we have like 15 minutes today. I will shortly tell you about the main buttons which we will use in our work, and maybe I'll show you what kind of. No, I think I switched it off. Okay, I'll show you tomorrow. So basically, there was a question from I think Natalia earlier on. Will we have to add products? Yes, you will have to add, but only 2 products. So I'm not asking you to make a big shop like similar to IconSpeak or Kardashians. No. All this is just so you get familiar with the system itself, and you will find along the way that it is quite easy to use and it's quite intuitive. So some certain things, even if you don't understand how to do them, they will kind of like come to your mind just by using the platform. And so we will make only the some of the basics, yeah, which you can see in every online store, and so that you don't have to write like big product descriptions or other big designs or something. So I will ask you just to make maybe a couple of slides. For the banners, we will make some banners from the front for the front page. Some categories for products, and 2 products, as I said, 2 products with a really short description and few additional pages. And if you can share your screen, please. I'm sorry, I can't read the name. On the chat, somebody wrote me on the chat the question. Could you please share the screen? Because
I think it's Lucine, yeah? As you mentioned before.
Maybe, because it doesn't say to me Lucine on here. It's yeah, maybe it's, yeah, Lucine, it is.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Angelica is in space station. I'm not sure I will be able to open it here. Let's try. I don't know why, but no, okay, it will allow me. Just don't know.
We can't share the screen. Maybe that's the reason, because we have to be.
Okay, hold on. Sorry. Yeah, Lucine, you can now share the screen. I put it back. Yes, yep, press that, your name.
Your name, Lucine Marukyan.
Yeah, press on this. I don't think you pressed it. Just click on your name.
Name Lucine.
Yes, click on it.
Click.
And just wait. No, don't. Ah, that's strange. Okay, let's try the one I told you with this shop address and admin. Enter your shop address and admin /admin. Did you save it before when I? So your shop address, I'll share in a minute the screen so you'll see the.
Just a minute.
Yours was number 10. I'll share my screen now, and this is your shop address. If you look at my screen, you need to type that in your address bar. Okay, just a second. Share your screen now, please. Lucine, please share your screen. Hold on, just a second. Maybe no, it's okay. It's on. Yeah, you can share it. Okay. Yes, you need to click on that, Lucine Marukian. Just click on it, and it has to open. No, on your name. On your name. You switched it off.
Does not work.
Please, if you could share the screen, because I can't see what are you doing, and I can't really comment on that if I don't see it. You have account already. You just need to get in, and it might ask you the password and. Okay. In Russian, I can't really write in Russian in this because it's in English here. But if you stay a little bit longer, when we finish this meeting, I can have a look with you into that, and we can talk in Russian. Is it okay? Lucine?
Ok. Okay.
But at the moment, you will have to kind of watch and, and try to. But when we finish, I will explain in Russian later. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen, and I believe so we are on this page. Yes. So for the things which I mentioned, we will have to do. We'll use the products section. This is where you make your product listings, offerings, and descriptions and pictures. I will show you all this tomorrow. This is, I think, what we'll do tomorrow. I will start our meeting with the demo. Like I will do it myself. It will take just a few minutes, and then we can do it all together, or we can start like I will do some things and you will just follow along. Yeah, that might be even better. But so your main areas will be products. So we will work with this add product button, and we will work with collection button. Then, and this is pretty much it on that part of admin menu. And then we'll go to the online store menu, where the main work will be done. And this will involve, so as I said, creating of some pages. Pages, I mean like information, for example, contact or about us, or some other information. So we will decide whoever wants to put something on there, so they will have the freedom. And then one of the most important things in building websites is the navigation. So basically this is called navigation menu, and that's the main menu. The one I'm showing you now, and these are drop-down menus. So we will learn tomorrow how to create this, and you will, by the end of tomorrow, you all will know how to do it. And also, so where am I? Yeah, this. So. So this is what navigation will be used for. We will create these menus, and then we'll go to the themes and we will do the design. But before we start on this, no, we're not gonna make it today. Okay, tomorrow we'll do it. So we will do the design also. A little bit. So as I said, we'll make some slide banners and some front page layout. So this is how your shops look now. I'll show you. If you all press on this, if you go to the online store, yeah, and there this, if you see this small like eye, just press that, and in the new window, you will see this is how your shop looks right now. So the screen you saw before is your admin. It's still open in the window next to this new one, but this new one is the way your shop looks right now. So if we haven't done anything like, so they all should look like the one I'm now showing you. So the same, because I'm starting from scratch also. So we will do all this together tomorrow. So and we will use both windows. So there will be shop look, like the proper shop look, and then there's this working area. So where we have all our tools and other things. So okay, I think this is it for today, and So tomorrow is the same time. It might look like a lot, but please don't worry. It's gonna be okay, and we'll manage. So, and even if tomorrow, like, there will be some things left, you will know how to complete them during the next week till the 3rd of December, when is the last meeting. Yes, so if you have any questions about everything we talked today or how we do this, you can ask. If not, then I'll talk to Lucina in Russian in a minute. And see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
will send you tomorrow, as today or days before, the reminder. So the link will be the same, time the same, and also Kasper's will be the same. Hopefully. I assumed that you today had like real preparation, but the real fun will be tomorrow.
Mm.
Okay, Lillian has a question.
Yes, Lillian, yeah.
I only want to encourage you, Kaspers, because it's very complicated. We are more than 10 people, and you are one mentor, one person who explain it, and there are a lot of technical aspects, and it's very important. So I'm sure tomorrow will be better, and it's important.
It's okay.
You have patience. Yeah, it's okay. We are more people.
My biggest group, I think, was 19. Like similar working, and that was quite hard. Yeah, so 10 is like quite optimum. If it gets more than 10, it is a bit more difficult, but it will be fine. It will be okay. Okay, thank you.
I understand that you have a deal that you will explain something also in Russian, right?
Yes, ну, кто хочет, может остаться послушать. Я вот тогда переключусь на русский. У нас, наверное, сейчас неофициальная часть, можно. Lucine.
Yes.
I'm ready. Yes.
Если не будет проблем, мы тоже послушаем.
Да, ну хорошо, нет, все в порядке.
Я тоже останусь.
Ну, я тоже, давайте.
Так. Lucine, нам надо будет ваш экран посмотреть, потому что иначе мы не разберемся. Вот, ну, вам надо кликать на свое имя. Вот, нет, ну или туда, ну, все равно, да. Вам надо кликать, и он должен у вас... Я вот сейчас просто не понимаю, почему он как бы не заряжает.
Я написала Lucine last first time.
Не, у него есть аккаунт, он просто сейчас не схватывает. Он как бы не идет, сама система, он не видит вас. А попробуйте этот набрать, где вот название вашего магазина, или он вас сюда же кидает, на эту. Где я писал вот этот демо-шоп, там, вот туда,
здесь?
да, здесь наберите все это.
Что буду наберить?
А у вас не будет. Нет, подождите, я вам сейчас покажу, что вам надо набрать. This. Oh, it's some Latvian also. Okay.
I will leave the meeting and thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. Yeah. So see you tomorrow.
See you.
And maybe just some comments from my side. I had a talk with Elena from the Connect project and about the Zoom meetings. And since you know the all Zoom meetings are also recorded, but some of the participants, they wrote me that they feel shy to talk in English, so that's why they are not actively participating in Zoom lectures. But we decided with Elena that Zoom meetings, they still will be recorded. You will be able to see them, but they will not be seen in YouTube without the link and without the permission. So don't worry about your English or maybe sometimes silly questions. Everything is okay. We are just learning, and please ask questions because there is no not shy, but silly questions. Everything is normal. And thank you for participation.
Okay.
Я вас тоже оставлю. До свидания. Good luck. Решите вашу проблему.
До свидания, да. До завтра. Завтра увидимся. Лусина, я вам отправил. Посмотрите.
Спасибо. Сейчас.
Я не знаю, сможете ли отсюда скопировать, если нет, ну просто как-то наберите это там, вот в этот адрес меню. И включите нам экран тогда обратно. Угу. А тут выключите просто вот рядом, где был Shopify, крестиком выключите. Он вас сюда опять кинул. Ну и нажмите еще раз на этот. Я сейчас начинаю думать, может быть, у вас этот Google Chrome что-то буксует. Потому что он как-то не хочет вас соединять даже с этим. Попробуйте, знаете, что сделать? Наберите вот этот адрес в инкогнито. Откройте Google Chrome в инкогнито. Я вам сейчас, ну, если вдруг надо подсказать, я могу подсказать. Так, вот там, где...
Я Google Chrome.
Да, только надо его в другом этом режиме открыть, потому что он этот, я думаю, тут cookies эти, ну, он уже запомнил.
Можно Opera или Mozilla? Или нет?
Ну, попробуйте. Я, правда, не знаю, как он будет работать с этими, потому что, ну, Chrome есть Chrome, как бы очень многие сейчас там, может быть, и пойдет. Так, ну, сейчас он вам дает все сначала начинать. А там в Chrome просто, ну, можно эти cookies удалить, как бы, и он будет работать.
Минуту, Потом next.
Next, да, и сейчас он паспорт будет просить, да.
Паспорт я
Надеюсь,
запомнила.
вы помните.
Я паспорт запомнила. Digital, Smart Digital пароль. Можно так сказать?
Я не знаю. Окей, Георгий, see you tomorrow. Нет, тут не можно как, а то, что вы написали, вы когда делали аккаунт, вы себе паспорт придумали. Если вы такой придумали, пишите. Будем смотреть, что там будет на выходе. Нет, он не даст. Попробуйте тогда forgot password нажать. Вы сейчас не запомните. Не, change email не надо. У вас нет другого имейла. Вам нужно это просто... Да, вот этот же email. Попробуйте пароль вспомнить, какой вы заводили. Не помните? Не, здесь еще email. Теперь, да, I'm a human. Набираем, где лодку видно.
Лодка. Здесь. Здесь. Может, и это.
Ну, тоже как бы. Ну, пробуем. Verify.
Паспорт. Вот.
Но он у вас есть, потому что, ну,
Ага,
если
ага.
он вам аккаунт создал, значит, вы пароль какой-то вводили. Вам сейчас просто надо вспомнить.
Сейчас я заметку буду.
Нет. Нажимайте Forgot Password. Вот там ниже. Не пишите ничего. Ну, я думаю, вы не вспомните. Сейчас сделаем новый паспорт.
Новый паспорт. Где health?
Нет.
Forgot. Ага.
Да, I'm a human. Сейчас опять будем что-то выбирать. Поезд.
Поезд. Вот это. Это.
Ну, там тоже, наверное, чуть-чуть видно, да. И reset password нажимаем. Так, стоп. Нет, сейчас вам надо email открыть и посмотреть свой пароль. Вот этот email откройте и посмотрите, что он вам прислал.
Извините, сейчас.
Можете пока это скрин убрать, если не хотите там, чтобы mail. Что записывается, но мало. Не хочется. Можете на паузу поставить screen share.
You have requested to receive your Sophie password for Lucine Get Marukyan, Shnigmai Get Ru. If you
Покажите, пожалуйста.
Буду показать. Скажите сейчас. Остановить и вот так буду. Вот так.
Так я не увижу.
Нет.
Ну вот, нажмите эту синюю кнопку Reset Password.
Новый пароль. Спросите пароль учетной записи. Новый пароль.
Ну и вот этот новый пароль туда надо завести, в Shopify, где вот.
Возьму ручку сейчас.
Да, запишите, чтобы.
Далее на подтвердить новый пароль. Вот же.
Так, мне экран надо видеть. Ну, нет, там, наверное, в Shopify. А что вы здесь набрали? Вы прямо там в телефоне все делаете. Ну, окей. Ну, просто зайдите, чтобы он вас пустил туда, в систему. Или же просто этот пароль вы уже выписали, можете его там написать, в этой, уже на компьютере.
Сейчас.
Так, только я не вижу. Мне надо включить экран.
Ага. Сейчас. Ага, так. Подожди. Ага.
Окей? Сейчас сами придумайте какой-нибудь. Сейчас можно любой. Ну ладно. Этот глаз могли обратно. Ну ладно. Здесь ничего сложного. Здесь не надо ничего сложного. Просто вот что-нибудь, что вы запомните. Это все равно никто к этому доступ иметь не будет, по большому счету. Я и так вижу, как бы я могу доступ иметь к этому магазину. Больше там никто иначе и не подарит.
Все? Обновить пароль.
Теперь next. Тут не надо. Вот это я не... Просто выключите крестик этот там, где...
Это?
Да. Потому что и там я не хочу вам ничего советовать. Это ваш личный Google. Так, next.
Login in.
Ну, сейчас вопрос, тут та же самая пароль будет или новая? Лучше стерите и напишите новую, которую вы завели. Это сотрите просто, ну, и напишите то, что вы там коллега, этот звездочный 21.
Login in.
Так, стоп. Это еще что? Нажмите, пожалуйста. Теперь вот нажмите этот...
Фото оригинал.
Так, давайте-ка я сейчас проверю еще одну вещь. Так, подождите, сейчас ничего не выключайте, оставьте все как есть. Так. Нет, сейчас выключите. Share screen немножко выключите, я сейчас посмотрю у себя. Остались ли вы в базе. Users permissions. Все. Сейчас я вам... Я сейчас вижу, где... Нет, подождите. Как интересно. Сейчас я... Все наоборот делает, что ли? Select all. Так, ну у вас... Так, подождите. Так, ну вот сейчас попробуйте, так, включите мне share screen и попробуйте набрать вот этот где-то демо, ну, D-project там.
Где?
Так, он вам сделал аккаунт, да, но почему он... Подождите, так, у вас email этот. Так, давайте сейчас так сделаем. Сейчас я посмотрю быстренько еще раз email.
Остановить демонстрацию.
Да, приостановите чуть-чуть. Нет, ну email правильный. Так, а почему он... Странно, он вас не видит как бы. Сейчас еще раз попробуем. Так, и сейчас включите мне экран, пожалуйста. И вот там, где этот аккаунт Shopify.com, да, наберите вот этот, где был у нас с этим, где я вам линк присылал в чате.
Здесь?
Ну вот этот, где D Platforms Project.
Угу.
Так, сейчас набирайте Лусине Марукьян, ну, кликайте на него.
Угу. Угу.
Логин. Здесь сбилось, а в этой в опере попробуйте. Вот тот же адрес, только в опере наберите. Не, это не надо, это не копируйте. Вот там, где D Platforms Project.
Снова копировать?
Наверху этот скопируйте адрес где.
Ага.
Только этот вот
ага.
не надо,
Да.
не надо.
Понятно, понятно.
Админ, до админа. Админ берите, админ вам надо.
Админ надо?
Да,
Ага.
а вот остальное не надо, да. Копируем. И в опере. Здесь не будет работать в этом. Здесь надо эти стирать cookies, и тогда он будет работать. Опера. Включите оперу.
Опера.
Так, и вот там наверху наберите этот, скопируйте, да, и это стирайте, и туда копируйте тот. Да, теперь Enter. Так, теперь набираем email. Next.
Потом next. Ага.
Сейчас будет паспорт, этот коллега, не помню дальше, что у вас там было.
Олега, 2 звездочки, 21. И логин in. О.
Не, что-то у вас, наверное, первая была заглавная буква. Александр на русском у нас после официального времени.
К2. Смотреть. Олега. Ага.
Ах ты, блин, ну как ты. Давайте так сделаем. У вас есть другой email?
Да, у меня есть Лусине Марукян.
Пришлите мне другой email, я вам просто сделаю с другим email.
Сейчас.
Эти все, потому что с этим уже тут. Так. Вот он тут совсем.
Вот.
Сейчас. Так. А теперь, может быть, сделайте мне share. Я...
Или опера.
Здесь нет, идите в свой email, Gmail, который у вас.
Угу.
Эти закройте.
Угу.
Так, и ваш Gmail надо.
Gmail. Ага.
Ну, который вы сейчас. Так. Вы пока можете мне выключить. Когда вы зайдете, я пока что Александр сделаю магазин, пока вы... Люсене, меня можете пока выключить.
Ага, ничего, ничего.
Ну ладно, вы уже
Да.
почти.
Готово.
В принципе,
Вот.
Александр может посмотреть сейчас тоже, вот как это. Ну
Ничего,
вот,
ничего.
нажимайте на этот Create Stuff.
Ага. Потом Create
Нажимаем.
Tab Account.
Да. Нет, вот этот, да.
Да?
Угу. Email остается, наберите имя свое, фамилия, и сюда можете этот коллега 21 писать, старый этот, который был. Ну или как он у вас там, не знаю, не помню. Ну, в общем, что-то такое простое, что вы не забудете.
Потом Create Software ID.
Да. Accept invite. Ну.
Все?
О, супер. Ну все, готовы. Ну вот все, здесь ничего не делайте. Завтра здесь будем все делать.
Ага. А можно будем исправить или что-то?
Вам сейчас ничего не надо исправлять.
Я
Всё.
могу? Ага. Cinema Rukian, Manage Account. Я где буду искать что-то? Можно и это, и все.
Что искать? Я говорю, вам здесь ничего не надо делать. Сейчас
Всё.
ничего не надо делать, мы завтра все сделаем. Все. Сейчас
Спасибо, спасибо, огромное спасибо.
Пожалуйста. Так, Александру сделаю еще. Так, Александру который тогда, Gmail или...
Добрый вечер. Я извиняюсь, у меня были лекции на мастерант, группа мастеранта. Я параллельно включился, так как так интересно, что ничего не было понятно. Я, к сожалению, английский не владею. А потом видел, что у вас получается здорово на русском, и закончил занятие, подключился автоматически. У меня два. Я понял, что вы работаете с Gmail.
Ну, Gmail, он как бы может быть, ну, Yahoo, Gmail, большой разницы нету.
Давайте на Yahoo.
Что вам удобней?
Удобнее Yahoo, давайте.
Да, хорошо. Так, и вам тогда будет магазин номер 11. Сейчас мы его сделаем. Так, я вам сейчас все расскажу. Есть. Ну, в общем, так, я вам отправил на e-mail ваш доступ к вашему интернет-магазину. И сейчас либо, ну, вы хотите, можете поделиться экраном, я вас как бы проведу, или можете сами пройти там. Там, в принципе, ну...
Да.
Да, то есть если есть вот этот staff аккаунт, нажимайте и принимайте там accept или что там будет написано.
Create staff аккаунт.
Да, нажимаем это.
Да.
И вас попросят, ну, может быть, включите мне экран ваш.
Сейчас, секундочку. Он еще не открылся у меня.
Я тогда... Там, в принципе, все, что вам надо сделать.
Back to you can is not private. Back to Safari.
Safari?
Нет, Safety.
Safety.
Нажать?
А что было? Вы нажали Create Staff Account, и что он потом?
И все. Написано Your connection is not private. Быстрее всего, что мой браузер не признает скан.
Ну, Yahoo или Gmail, что-то ему не нравится.
Наверное, да.
Странно, Shopify как бы... Shopify надежный сайт. Там. Может быть, нажмите мне экран.
Сейчас,
я тогда буду видеть, что вы делаете. Как бы, ну,
да, сейчас я прикрепил.
Да.
Zoom.
Потому что он вам должен был открыть, куда ввести имя, фамилию и пароль 2 раза. Ну, 1 раз то, что вы придумали, и 2-й раз как бы подтвердить. Все. Больше как бы ничего там не предполагается.
Герой, да, вот тут. Сейчас я прикреплю быстренько шаги. Но если вы видите...
Так, стоп. Ну, прям интересно, почему он тут... Нет. Нет, это нет. Ну, нажмите Back to Safety, что он сделает?
Он возвращается...
Он возвращает в эту. Хорошо, зайдите в email и нажмите еще раз этот линк.
Да.
Так, вот Create Staff, да. Вот уже есть он у вас открыт был. Нет. Сейчас самый верхний email. Да. Вот эту зеленую, да, нажмите.
Да, я нажал и не хочет признать.
Хорошо, теперь Advanced нажмите.
Advanced, да. Вот сюда, да?
Proceed, да. Не знаю, почему он тут. У вас, наверное, какая-то очень...
все открылся.
Такая защита стоит.
Есть
прямо
first name, да, это фамилия, да?
Да, здесь, ну, имя. Нет, здесь имя, а потом второе будет фамилия. Вторая будет фамилия. И пароль что-нибудь простенькое придумайте. Это, ну, здесь просто вот на это время, пока мы здесь этот проект проходит, вот что-то просто придумайте, чтобы не забыть.
Да.
И 2-й раз его надо ввести, как бы подтвердить. И Create Shopify ID. И теперь Accept Invite, да.
Это практически на молдавском. Accept инвитация.
Так. Да, у вас браузер, он continue, ниже, еще ниже, да. Ну все, вот вы зашли куда надо. Вот здесь мы завтра будем работать.
Понятно. Он сразу откроется, да?
Ну, теоретически, да. Если нет, вам вот надо этот адрес, который там, вот этот зеленый замочек, вам его надо скопировать себе куда-то. Не, повыше, самый верх, где наверху, где адрес пишется в интернете.
Вот,
интернет-адрес.
Все,
Вот, да.
понятно. Это линк, вы имеете в виду линк,
Ну,
да?
линк, да. Вот этот линк вам надо скопировать. Это ваш линк, да, с которым вы можете сюда зайти.
Все, я его записал, и я оставлю себе где-то в Word, и завтра я его использую, да?
Да, завтра, ну, если не закроете, тогда завтра вот открыв интернет, вот этот линк туда заведете, он вас, скорее всего, опять попросит завести email и пароль, но потом, когда вы его заведете, вы окажетесь вот на этом экране, как сейчас вот.
Хорошо.
Это вот рабочая поверхность этого Shopify, и в нем как бы можно тогда создавать этот...
Завтра во сколько?
Ну, в 6, не в 6, а в 4, как сегодня, в 4, ну, я не знаю, по-вашему.
У нас
одинаковое
17.
время. По латвийскому времени 4 часа вечера, ну, после обеда.
Спасибо.
С 15 до 18, и потом вот есть вариант немножко и на русском. Вот, но, в принципе, тут все так довольно интуитивно будет. Может, будет все в порядке.
Сейчас мы сидим после 24 ночи, учим английский, а пока в свое время учили хорошо русский, французский, к сожалению, и времени нету. Но спасибо за то, что вы делаете такие проекты, хотя бы что-то, какая-то добавленная стоимость от вас есть 100%.
Спасибо.
И вам спасибо.
Ладно, тогда до завтра. До встречи.
До завтра, да.
До свидания.
До свидания.
Так, можете выключать этот экран.
Да, я выхожу.
А у нас еще, по-моему, я вижу. Ну все. Да, мы только вдвоем остались. Втроем. Артур еще, видно, есть. Все, тогда счастливо, до завтра.